Now what this question is asking is, it's asking us to find how many micromoles there are in 200 microliters of a solution of this concentration. This means that we have a solution and the concentration of that solution is something called 10 millimolar, and the substance inside that is NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So what we need to find out is we need to express this 10 millimolar in a nicer format. So let's write it over here, 10 millimolar. And we know that 1 molar is equal to 1 mole per liter, which means that whatever we put in front of there, we also put in front of there. And since the prefix here is millimolar, then we can essentially write a little m here and also a little m over there. And so what this 10 little m big M will be is it'll be 10 little m followed by mol/L. So this is essentially 10 millimoles per liter. Now this means, if we come back here to our drawing, this means that if we take out 1 liter of our solution, in this 1 liter we'll be swimming around 10 millimoles of NaOH. Okay? It also follows that if we take out not 1 liter, but say we take out 2 liters, okay, in this 2 liters there will be 20 millimoles of NaOH. If we take out 4 liters, there will be 40 millimoles. And if we take out, say, half a liter, there will be 5 millimoles of NaOH. Okay, the thing is we don't take out 2 liters, 4 liters, or half a liter, we take out 200 microliters. And so instead of having a liter expression here, let's try bring it down to a level which is of a microliter or at least a milliliter. Okay, so coming back over here, we have 10 millimoles per liter. Now we know that 1 millimole is equal to 1,000 micromoles. Therefore, 10 millimoles must equal to 10,000 micromoles. And so if 10 millimoles is on the left here, we can write that, instead of writing 10 millimoles, we can write that as 10,000 micromoles. So that's going to be 10,000 micromoles per, remember there's a missing 1 over here, or an invisible 1, so that's per 1 liter. And we know that 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, which means that we can replace this 1L on the right here with 1,000 mLs or milliliters. Now if we cancel these zeros on either side, what we see is this becomes 10 micromoles per milliliter. Okay, so we can really just convert straight from this 10 millimoles per liter straight down to 10 micromoles per milliliter. To do that, we bring the 2 prefixes, okay, down 1 level each. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can still do it via this 10,000 or 1,000 conversion rather, and then keep cancelling the zeros out. But if you are comfortable jumping, that's perfectly fine as well. Okay, so let's jump 1 more level. We've got 10 micromoles per mil. This will actually be 10 nanomoles per microliter. Okay, we're just jumping the m down to micro, the milli down to micro, and the micro down to a nano. Okay, so this is telling us that a 10 millimolar solution can be expressed like this. And in English, what this means is that 1 microliter of the solution being this thing in there, okay, contains 10 nanomoles of NaOH. Okay, and since we were talking here about how half a liter contained 5 millimoles, now we can say 1 microliter contains 10 nanomoles of NaOH. So this means if we took out 1 microliter of this solution, in our pipette, in our container that's holding this 1 microliter, it would also be holding 10 nanomoles of this NaOH. Okay, but the thing is we don't take out 1 microliter, we take out 200 microliters. Okay, so coming back over here, we say, well, this is 10 nanomoles per 1 microliter. If we're going per 200 microliters, what we've done on the right here is we times it by 200, and therefore on the left, let's do the same, 200, which means there are 2,000 nanomoles in every 200 microliters we take out. Okay, 2000 nanomoles, we know that 1000 nanomoles is equal to 1 micromole, therefore 2000 nanomoles is equal to 2 micromoles, and therefore we can rewrite this left hand side to be 2 micromoles. We haven't done anything to the right hand side, so let's write the same thing down here. So this is saying that if we take out of our solution 200 microliters, okay, of this solution, in that 200 microliters will be 2 micromoles of the sodium hydroxide.